Welcome to Cambodian School. Today's lesson is on Khmer consonant. In Khmer language, consonants are called Pyongyina. Okay, and this is called Darang Pyongyina, which is the chart of Pyongyina. Okay, Khmer consonant we have 33 of them, and they are arranged into 6 groups. So the first 5 groups here, or the first 5 rows, are arranged according to the articulation of the sound from the back to the front of the mouth. And the 6th group, which are the last 2 rows of the consonants, are the miscellaneous group. Okay, let's look at the first 5 group and the 6th group. Okay, so again, the first 5 group are arranged according to the articulation of the sound from the back to the front of the mouth. Okay, so let's look at the first row. Okay, or let's say the first row together. Ga, ka, go, ko, ngo. Second row. Ja, cha, jo, cho, nyo. Third row. Da, ta, do, to, na. Fourth row. Da, ta, do, to, no. Fifth row. Ba, pa, bo, po, mo. The 6th group, or the last 2 rows. Yo, ro, lo, vo, sa, ha, la, a. Now let's say all the 33 consonants together. Okay, here's the same chart. Okay, so ga, ka, go, ko, ngo. Ja, cha, jo, cho, nyo. Da, ta, do, to, na. Da, ta, do, to, no. Ba, pa, bo, po, mo. Yo, ro, lo, vo, sa, ha, la, a. Okay. In modern Cambodian, these consonants are divided into 2 series. The blue colored consonant here are called the first series consonant, and the black colored series consonant here are called the second series consonant. Okay, so the first series consonants have a sound, and the second series consonant have o sound. For example, the first series consonant ga and ka have a sound, and the second series consonant go and ko have o sound. Okay. Furthermore, in the first series consonant we have 2 consonants that have the same sound. This consonant ta and ta. Okay. So this first ta here is used for place, region, or words that are derived or transcribed from Sanskrit or Malay. The second ta here is the common ta, okay, that we use more often. Same thing for the second series consonant. We have 2 consonants that have the same sound as well. Consonant to and tor. This first tor is rarely used. Okay, so this is the second tor is the common tor. Okay, so in Khmer language, when 2 consonants are pronounced consecutively within a word, the second consonant is written in a subconsonant form and is located below the first consonant. Let's take a look at that. Okay, so these are the consonants that we just looked earlier, except that it includes the subconsonant, which are the green and the red color consonant here, and they are called Pyongyina or Jung Pyongyina. Okay, Jung, which mean leg, Fyunchnet is consonant, so the leg of the Fyunchnet. Okay, so the red colored subconsonants, these are the subconsonant for the first series consonant, and the green subconsonants are the subconsonant for the second series consonant. Okay, let's take a look at that. So we have law, which is from the first series consonant, does not have a subconsonant. But nyo from the second series consonant has two subconsonants. And also most of these subconsonants here, they look just like the consonant, with the exception of the hair. But some of them do look quite different. Okay, and the subconsonants have the same sound as a consonant. Okay, so let's say them together. Also, when we say subconsonant, we add the word chung, a leg, in front of it, so we know we're talking about the subconsonant, not the consonant. Okay, so at this level, I just want you to recognize the subconsonant, not necessarily to read the word with subconsonant yet. Okay, so let's say them together. Okay, so chương có, chương khó, chương cổ, chương khổ, chương ngộ, chương chó, chương chó, chương chúa, chương chúa, chương nhổ, and chương nhổ. Chương đó, chương thỏ, chương đũa, chương thủa, chương nọ. Chương tỏ, chương thỏ, chương tủa, chương thủa, chương nổ. Chương bó, chương phó, chương bủa, chương phủa, chương mùa. Chương dũa, chương rủa, chương lúa, chương vúa, chương xỏ, chương hỏ, and chương o. Okay, now let's look at some of the vocabulary to help us distinguish between the first series consonant and the second series consonant, as well as some of the subconsonant. Okay, so at this level, again, I just wanted to hear the sound. You don't need to know how to read this yet. Hopefully this will help. Okay, so we'll learn how to put the consonant and vowel together in more detail in a future lesson. But right now, just pay attention to the sound between the first series and the second series. Okay. All right. So here we have the blue. The first half of the column here of the page are the first series consonant, and the seconds in black here are the second series consonant. And we have we have the consonant, the vocabulary, the pronunciation, and the definition. Okay, so hopefully it will help. All right, let's look at the first consonant, ga. Okay, so ga is the first series consonant. So ga's, and here's a vowel, sra, ga, sra, ga, which mean island. Okay, now here the second series is go. Okay, go, because the second series sra became or becomes o, so go, go, which is to beat, to knock, to tap. Okay, so each row here, this is represent a counterpart between the first and the second series. Okay, so each of the first series consonant has its counterpart in the second series. So ga is the counterpart of go. Okay, so ga is in the first series consonant, and its counterpart in the second series consonant is go, and vice versa. Okay, so that way you can tell the sound between the first and the second series. Hopefully this will help. Okay, so the next consonant is ka. Okay, so ka, here's an example of a subconsonant this is subconsonant law. Okay, so kho, kho chừng law, claw. Here is the a. Okay, kho is the first series consonant, so kho is the a, kho, and kho chừng law, claw, claw is the a, kla. Okay, kla, which means tiger. Now, kho's counterpart is kho in the second series. Okay, so kho with the subscript law or subconsonant law, so kho chừng law, claw, because this is the second series consonant. So a here becomes the ear. So kho chừng law, claw, close the ear, clear, clear no, clean, clean, which means hungry. Next, jaw, first series consonant, jaw. The vowels here is the I. Jaw is the I, jai, okay, which means lice. Jaw's counterpart is jaw. Okay, jaw. Here is another subconsonant, ro. Okay, so jaw chừng ro, jaw. Okay, here's the I because this is the second series consonant. So the I become the A. Jaw chừng ro, jaw, jaw is the A, tree, fig tree. Okay. Next, first series consonant, chaw. Chaw, chaw is the A, chow. Here's the daw. Chaw is the A, chow, chow, daw, chow. Chow, which means beautiful, charming, handsome. Okay. Chaw's counterpart is chore. Chore is the second series consonant. So here we have the A. Because this is the second series, the A becomes the O. So chore is the O, cho, tree. Okay, which means tree. Now the first series consonant, na. Okay, na. Na is the A here, na, which means place or where. Na's counterpart is no in the second series. So no is the A because the second series, the A becomes the ear. Nose, ear, near. Do here. Do is also a second series consonant. So the A becomes the E. Do is the E, D. So near D. Okay, which means minute. Okay. Now let's look at the next consonant. First series consonant, do. Do is the O, do. Do, dot, 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 which means to burn or to grill. Do's counterpart is door. Okay, so we have here door. Door is do. Do có độc. Door. Door is đưa. Okay, so độc đưa, which means caterpillar. Okay, first series consonant da. Okay, so here we have sra a, da sra a, da, grandfather. Da's counterpart is do. Do is the second series. Here we have sra a, which becomes the ear. Do's ear, deer, which means duck. First series consonant ta. Okay, here's the o, ta's the o, toe, which means vase. Ta's counterpart is tor. Tor's the o. Again, because tor's is a second series consonant, so the o becomes the oo. Tor's the oo, too. Okay, notice this ro here. Just ignore it. When you see ro comes after a word, it usually just to represent that word, so it's silent. Ro is silent. Okay, just ignore it. To mean loose, soft, or not tight. The first series consonant paw. Okay, here we have another example of subconsonant. Chừng lo again, which we saw earlier. So paw, paw chừng lỗ, plow. Okay, plow, here we have sợi I. Paw chừng lỗ, plow, sợi I, ply. Cho, which we also saw earlier. Cho is the second series consonant. Sợi I here become sợi So cho sợi cho. So we have ply cho, okay, which means fruit. Paw's counterpart is paw. Okay, paw. Here we have another subconsonant called chừng nọ. Okay, the leg of nọ, chừng nọ. So paw, excuse me, paw, paw chừng nọ, pnọ. We have sợi I here because paw is a second series consonant. Sợi I becomes the a. Paw chừng nọ, pnọ, pnọ sợi a, pnè. Here we have có, pnè có, pnè, which means I. We have law here. So law is o, low, which means one dozen or lot. Law's counterpart is law. Law is in the second series consonant. Now law is the o because law is the second series consonant. So o becomes the u. Law is ulu, which means to howl or drainage. Okay. Now is the remaining consonant do not have their counterpart. Okay, and we'll learn in future lesson on how to create their counterparts. But for now, just know the sound and the some of their vocabulary. Okay, so here are the second series consonant that do not have their counterpart consonant in the first series. Okay, so second series consonant ngô. Okay, ngô, ngô sợi a because the second series consonant sợi a becomes e. Same thing, nghi. So that's nghi. Now ngô, ngô sợi a because second series consonant sợi a becomes ngơ. So nghi, ngơ. Okay, which means nodding head from side to side or confused. Nhô, second series consonant. Nhô sợi here because again this is second series consonant. Sợi becomes Okay, so nhô sợi nhom. It's a type of Khmer salad. Okay. Next is bo. Bo. Bo sợi o because bo is the second series consonant again. So o becomes the u. Bo sợi u, bu, which means uncle. We also use uncle for our parents' friend or parents' guy friend that are younger than your parents. Okay. Next is more. Okay. More is the a. Here we have the a, may. If you notice from lesson 1, the a doesn't change. It stays the same. So may. May we usually mean mother for animal, birds, and also mean leader. Next is your. Yours are again because yours second series becomes So yours yum, to cry or to weep. Okay. Now ro, again ro is the second series. Ro becomes so ro re. Okay, which means to radiate or to shine, like sunshine. Now it's the second series consonant vo. Vo is a. Again, because second series consonants, a becomes ear. So via, meaning it, which means it, she, or he. But we usually don't use where for people. We can use it for, it's more appropriate to use for animal. But if we use to call people, it's demeaning way, and we don't want to use that. Okay. Now the remaining consonants are the first series consonants that do not have their counterpart in the second series consonant. Okay, so first series consonant saw. Here we have saw se, which means horse. Ha, okay. Ha, we have here owl, how, okay, which means to call. Now we have bó, bay, 3, or sometimes it could mean to carry a baby like bay con nga, for example. Okay. Now if you notice here, we have bó. You see this bó changes shape. Okay. So every time that we use the vowels sra, sra'ao, sra'au, sra'am, and sra'ah, this ball here change shape to look like this. Okay, so this way it does not get confused with the consonant ha. Okay, now if you look at this ha, if you just add sra'a like this, it would just look exactly the same. So that's why on those 5 vowels, the consonant ball has to change its shape to look like this. Okay, now so bó sra'a, ba, which mean male. Okay, again, just to reiterate that ball will transform into this shape when we add the vowel ba, the vowel sra'a, sra'ao, sra'au, sra'am, sra'ah. So like ba, bao, bau, bum, ba. Okay, to avoid confusion with consonant ha. Okay, now the last consonant is a. Okay, so a, mean to scratch lightly. Now let's go and review our consonant. Okay, so again, our consonant, we have 33 of them, and in Khmer, consonant are called pyonchnet. Okay, and they are divided into 6 groups. The first 5 groups are arranged into the articulation of the sound from the back to the front of the mouth, and the 6th group, or the last 2 rows here, are the miscellaneous group. And also in modern Cambodian, they are divided into 2 series. The blue ones are the first series consonant, and the black color ones are the second series consonant. So the blue series consonant have a sound, or the second series consonant have or sound. Okay. Furthermore, when 2 consonants are pronounced together consecutively, okay, the second consonant is written in a consonant form below the first consonant. Okay, let's practice saying these consonants together. Okay, so ga, ka, go, ko, ngo. Jaw, chaw, jaw, chaw, yaw. Da, ta, do, to, na. Da, ta, do, to, no. Ba, pa, bo, po, mo. Yo, ro, lo, vo, sa, ha, la, ah. So now we have learned Khmer consonant. Khmer consonant and the vowels are the foundation of the Khmer language. So please create your method to remember them. I'm Malai. For more info and feedback, please visit Cameron School of San Francisco. Thanks.